Happy day children. I am your art teacher Esther. Today I am going to teach about origami lily. Okay, let us see. For making lily, take one yellow color origami sheet. Okay, this is enough. Next, make the paper into the square shape. See now, I make the paper into the square shape. First fold the opposite corner. Okay. Next step also fold next opposite corners. Okay, our folding is finished. Next step we should fold the mount fold. Okay, so take two opposite corner like this and join it. Okay. Then join this corner also. Okay, then join here this one also. Okay, now rub it thoroughly. See children, now I made the mount fold. Next take this paper. This is main corner. Okay, here open part. Now take the paper and fold it here. Okay, into the middle line. So like this, four sides we should do. Okay, the same here, back side also do it. See, I folded both the sides. Now your paper is looking like this. Okay, both the side. Now take the folding and open this part. Can keep the folding inside. Okay, the same this fold also. Take it and open it. Okay, just keep it inside. See, like this we should do opposite side also. See, now I folded both the sides. Now take this part, keep it like this. Okay, now you can get like this. The same back side also. Okay, so both the side you can get like this. Okay, see, next step is take this corner and fold it towards the middle. Okay, the same opposite side also. The same back side also do it. Okay, now we can get like this. See, after finishing this step, open it here. Okay, here also we can see the same page like that. So again we should fold the same. Okay, both the side fold it. Okay, this step is over. See, next step is open this paper. Okay. Take this paper outside and fold it. Fold these two sides inside. Okay. We can get like this. Okay, again we should do the same in four sides. Okay, see, already we can see the fold line. This line we should fold. Take this and keep this side and both the sides inside. Then we should fold it into downwards. Okay, the same this side also. Okay, I will finish and show it. See, now I folded all the sides. Okay, now take this paper and put it inside. Take this, open it and put the paper inside. Okay, the same we should do 4 sides. See, look at now, I finished the folding 4 sides. Okay, now we can see the strips. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 strips we can see. Okay, this is one strip. So open it like this. Okay, next we should fold from downwards, the main corner. We should fold it towards the middle line. Okay, the same opposite side. Towards the middle we should fold. See, now we should fold 4 sides. See, now I folded 4 sides. Okay, now we can open the paper. So we can fold this paper like this, 4 strips. These strips only called as petals. Okay, see, now our four petals are ready. Now take one pencil and just roll it. Roll all the petals. Okay, just roll it like this. See, after finishing, our lily flower is ready. See, look at children, how nice is it. Thank you, children.